This is an instructional video for 2024 to 2026 L5P Duramax E42 ECM and T93 TCM removal. Doing these steps in reverse will also be how you reinstall the ECM and TCM. Starting with the TCM. Pop the hood of your L5P. Go ahead and disconnect both batteries. Use a scraper to release the TCM retainer tab. Unplug the connector from the TCM and remove the controller. You have now successfully removed the TCM. Set it aside to be packaged once you remove the ECM. Now moving on to the ECM removal. Remove the 7 Torx fasteners to release the wheel well liner. Pull back the wheel well liner and you will have access to the ECM. Press down the red tab and pull back the ECM harness handle. Remove the 4 10mm nuts holding the ECM in place. Remove the ECM from the wheel well. Package the ECM with the TCM and use the supplied label to ship to HP tuners for unlocking your ECM and TCM. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 815-568-7920. Thanks for watching.